All right, everyone. Now we are going to be introduced to the products offered by Tianyi Industrial. Now, Tianyi Industrial is a high-quality manufacturer of specialized socket sets, ranging in size from all the way from 1/4 inch on up to 3.5 inches. So everyone, let's go check them out.
Hi, my name is Tony Swan. I'm Tianyi Sales Manager. I will give you a short introduction about the Tianyi. Tianyi is a leading hand tool maker in Taiwan, Taichung. We have created over 10,000 items and supply to our global clients, include well-known brands in the USA and the German for airplane industry and also the automotive industry, and some even for the F1 racing car. And also we have designed a special tool for energy industry and also some high technology machines. We are specializing in the socket set, impact socket, and auto repair tools. And not only that, we can provide the OEM and ODM product service. So recently, we also help our customers with some special customer service. For example, recently our customer come to us to ask us to provide the special packaging design for the Amazon, and we help them to drive down their transportation cost. So if you care about the tool quality and you are looking for the tool maker for your long-term partner, I believe Tianyi can be a right fit. I would like to give you a short introduction about this special patent product. It's called Impact Extension Bar with adjustable handle. So why is this extension bar different from the traditional one? Because it has a very unique handle, and this handle is not only good looking, it helps you to balance the entire extension bar. So imagine when you are working in some heavy use with some heavy impact socket with the very strong impact gun. When you spin your hand, where do you put your hand? You put on the shaft of the extension bar, right? And then it will feel your hand got burning because it spins so fast. Now with this adjustable spin handle, it will help you holding it without burning your hand. So how is it used? It's very easy. So hold this handle and it can just spin without any burning feeling. And it's completely perfectly balanced here. And another function here is that you can adjust the position of this handle. So for example, you don't like this position, you want it to go higher, then you just easily push and then that, now it fixed, completely secure. So you can easily spin and in the right position. That's how it works. So why do our customers want to buy the impact socket from Tianyi? There are 3 reasons. First, we provide the full range of impact socket. We provide a small socket such as this size to a larger size such as so big, I even cannot hold it, so you can see how big it is. So when I say full range, it means from the small size 1/4 inch drive to a larger size like that one, 2.5 inch. And not only that, we can provide a consistent quality and it's very stable. So how do we do that? Because the material is chromium from the China Steel Corporation in Taiwan. That means the material is strong and consistent in terms of the component. And also we use the high-tech heat treatment to make sure all the hardness and torque are stable. The heat treatment equipment that we have been used actually have been applied for the car components such as the Tesla. So that's how we have make our impact socket. Last point, we can supply the full range in time, not like our competitors. They only have a few sizes and a few sizes available in their warehouse. We, in contrast, have all sizes available in our warehouse, and that's how we can deliver all this impact socket with all so many sizes, like over 1,000 sizes, to your place, to your market in time. And that's how you can get the market share for your market.